What's good, fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Faith. Welcome and welcome if you are new. So today we are going to be doing what I like to call notebook Valentine. I decided to do this on press-ons. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm actually autoimmune, so I be having problems with my fingers, my hands, and my wrist. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of drawing, I am going to do them on press-ons instead. So I'm going to be taking this nude here that I got like in a 6-pack. Also note that everything will be listed on my Amazon storefront. Link for that will be in the description box below. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this A362 color, and then we're going to go in with like this pinkish tint, but we'll get into that as soon as we get to that part. So again, I'm just going to apply 2 coats of this to all of the nails. All the nails are basically going to have the same design. This color along with the this pinkish tint color, I'll explain that when we get to that part, but the base is going to be a white French tip because again, if you saw the thumbnail, then you know that we are doing a white French tip, and it's going to look like notebook paper. That's why I call them notebook Valentine. If you will, please go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Now I'm only going to be showing a few nails as far as me. If it's the same design, you're only going to see a few of them. Please do excuse when I get to this part. When I start doing the nail art, I will be kind of out of frame. My apologies for that. I was really trying to zoom in, and yeah, so that's what that is. So here's the pinkish tint color that I was talking about. Again, all the products are listed on my Amazon storefront. Any questions or comments, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below, or if there's something that you're not comfortable with, you can always send me a DM directly on Instagram. Speaking of which, I also have Instagram and TikTok, so be sure that you follow those social links as well. So I'm going to get into the nails. So let's get back into the nails. So here you see me drawing like a center line down all of the nails to ensure that, you know, like the bottom of the French is going to be symmetrical on all of the nails. I am, like, again, like I said before, I'm only going to show a few of the nails because this is going to get very repetitive and I don't want you guys getting bored. Once I pretty much have the French outlined, I'm going to go back and actually fill the French in. I also have my smile line brush, as you saw in the clips prior to me starting to draw this French. I put some alcohol in a dapping dish so that way I can clean up. So don't feel bad if you can't draw a straight line to save your life. Sometimes I can't either, and for the life of me, I don't know why I always drink coffee and still do nails. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm a coffee drinker, and so I'd rather drink the coffee and not have a headache versus me having these wiggly lines. But hey, it's gonna be all good. This is a very easy design to do, so if you just want to follow along, you're more than welcome to. It's very easy. I actually got this idea from my daughter-in-law. She sent me this design and I was like, oh, I think I could do that. I'm going to get off into more nail art and everything soon. I'm debating. I like painting. It's fun. It just takes a really long time. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy from here, and I'll be back. Okay, friend. Now let's get into this nail art. Okay, so this light blue color, I want to say I got this from my cart, I believe. If so, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the screen. And yeah, it came out of a kit. It did. This light blue came out of a kit. The line that I'm going to do that's going down the paper, I mixed some white with a little bit of red to get like a pinkish color, because everybody knows when you look at notebook paper, that line that goes down the side looks like it's supposed to be red, but it's always kind of faded. So that's what I was trying to mimic. Now, when we get into drawing the hearts and stuff like that, I I was trying to, at first, I was going to draw them all perfect and everything like that. But then I was like, no, this is notebook paper, right? So if this is going to resemble notebook paper, most people don't know how to draw hearts really straight. One side is always a little bit thicker than the other. The lines are not that crisp. Some people draw box style hearts. So I made sure not to leave everything as neat or as perfect. I don't like using the word perfect, but not so symmetrical on purpose to give the illusion that, like old school used to draw on paper and love letters and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. Now remember me talking about these straight lines, honey. Look, like I said, you're gonna look. Don't pay my hands. No, never mind. They're going to shake a lot in the video, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay. Then I got the bright idea that I wanted to go ahead and add like holes in the paper to give like an illusion like those were the three holes that were on there. So I just used the gray from that McCart kit as well. Again, everything is on the Amazon storefront if you are interested in purchasing anything that you see in the video. Also note that I do earn a small commission from Amazon for anything that you purchase with that link. I just wanted to throw that out there. So I'm going to be alternating between the red and this light pink color in between what I'm doing. So I'm just filling up the nail, but trying not to overcrowd it so that the design does not look too cluttered, but you get the idea of what it's supposed to represent. So on my bigger hearts, I like to start with the two dots and then connect those from the sides to draw the hearts, kind of like the little, I don't know what, semicolon, I would say. And then I think that's what it's called. And like for my smaller hearts, as you can see, I am drawing with the actual dotting tool. Here are what the nails are looking like so far, and I'm just taking a look to see what additional I want to add to the nails. I'm going to go ahead and pop up that inspo picture that she gave me, and I kind of went from there. So getting into trying to draw these lips, as you can see, I started with two dots, and then I'm going to connect them kind of like a V in the middle, and then draw a straight line across for like the top lip. And I'm going to draw the lips kind of different for everyone. I'm also going to draw it in light pink, and I just go about doing it in different ways. It just depends on what I'm really trying to accomplish. I hope this tutorial is helping you. If you have any other questions, whether it's on acrylic nails, polygel, gel, nail ideas, if you want to draw a design and want me to recreate a video, do that. Send that to me on Instagram, or you can send it to me on TikTok as well. I am going to leave my social contact in the description box as well. Once I'm finished filling in the design on all the nails, I'm going to go in and outline the bigger hearts on some of the nails with black to create like those conversation hearts. I wanted to actually put some words in the inside of these, but I realized I drew these way too small, and I was just like, you know what, forget it. And then I'm going to go back and add in some stars. I'll add in some red stars and some pink stars on some of the nails as well. And then I'll go in and top coat the nails in matte, so all the nails will be matte. And then that's pretty much it for this design. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and drop those in the comment section of this video, and I will get to your comments as soon as possible. And if you enjoy today's video, go ahead and give me a big old like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that way you are notified every time I upload a video, which is usually Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.